Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So if you want to get the OneUi 8.5 voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so that is now possible. The way is quite similar to what I did with the Samsung's clock app and the calculator app. You just have to install the latest update and you can enjoy the OneUi 8.5 update. Now to get this update, simply go into the Twitter app, and after going into the Twitter, search for the OneCID, and from the profile search for this tweet over here. Now if you will tap on it, in the comments you will get to see the quick share link to install it. Now from here tap on download now, but make sure to install it as soon as possible after you are watching this video, as it will expire soon. But no need to worry, you just have to simply search for the OneUi 8.5 voice recorder for the Galaxy S24 Ultra on the Google, and somewhere you will get to see the link. After tapping on download, you will get to see a pop-up of settings. Now allow some permissions. After allowing it, you will get to see this pop-up of update. Now the voice recorder will be updated to the latest OneUi 8.5 update. And that's it, the OneUi 8.5 voice recorder is now installed on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is how the interface looks like on the new voice recorder. The main difference that you will notice is in the recording option. As you guys can see, it has this new UI design. When some loud sound will be there, it will show this red glow, and you can also map some important parts of the voice recording. To save it, simply tap on this square icon, and then you can save your voice recording as well, and from here you can listen that. And that's a wrap for today's video. This is how you can install the latest voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let me know in the comment section below that are you installing it or not, and what are your thoughts on this new voice recorder. Also, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so the good news is that the OneUi 8.5 beta version is now rolling out. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.